Space. Atakumi Foster J.
And it's something so good.
Joseph Ablo again. He's been a top man in defense this afternoon. Samba now gives away another foul. This is where care is needed from Samba now.
Of course. And also, the set piece for Kotoko to defend.
A champion pushing across. Samba gets it out. Franco Mankwa offering presence in the midfield. A champion. He needs to stay concentrated.
Be proactive in attack.
Saka Dauda gets Baba Yaya. Albert Amoa. No red shirt in the box at the moment. And Ronald commits a foul at a favorable position for Patrick Asiedu. From Paul Manson, not a happy man at all.
That foul was won from intelligence because there was a contact about how Albert Amoa reacted. Definitely draws the miss of the referee. But gradually Kotoko are picking into the game as we speak. Initially it was one-sided. Bibiani Goldstars putting all the pressure, but it's been calm and both teams are trying to up their intensity.
Joseph Ablo, Henry Ansu with lots of height. Bibiani Goldstars, they need to be aware. And that was a wasted ball.